was Alba Kumasi Asante Mantem capital open program ba ko amanfo etie pa na say particular programs amanfo etie pa ko social programs no sa uyi sports everywhere and only program bia amanfo etie pa social program mama efe antena ene mamia course mo ye na Akoma FM ne amanfo etie sa program ne pa. Na politics this is Kumasi out politics no ntro ne doors nti obi any interest oba betina radio ho no watie politicians abetwa ntrosa na say no oba Kumasi the latest person and I say the latest station on so watch social programs ni biase all ye nigidi with aggression say or ma antenna a heavy chase papa Oheneni of Sompa 93.1 FM. The program na shasi na it's in a similar fashion just like antenna dear no. Maybe Ebo Juma, maybe an experienced broadcaster or no one star and antenna also style out the bar or your FM. You name say antenna no ne maybe na never insure FM but or switch or bar or your FM no or the star kakra or the some sort of aggression and ne edwamai la bi ewura the program no ma and no can who teach and amani program no afa and no akoye the most listened to social program Kumasi Ghana as a matter of fact. Now say the latest person I join Oheneni or Sompa FM. The star no minim sa wetia madam mensaka video kakrabia me meje aguma na wo hu the wa heat no the wa usi pushija no usi ma antenna pressure and as uchisi antenna no it is just in a similar fashion no also use aggression pa ono so star no kwa koye antenna mo structure ni bi yenko ne yenko hwe ni show bi oye no na no yenko he
odate
hello
mi hia wa hada be na obeba na ya tena se pacho
me wo kunsu ya ngo dobu
wo kunso
no kiss me ya kiss
wanya case ya woda it sable woda says
I okuna kwa me kokko dai ze mi wie no
wachina no kokko to ade achi abesa kokko odate wetie afana me no ka no Yentie yetia no ye ni agro. We are not joking here. Ni agro na ye di ni so be serious abra. Ye serious ni enwa asem no. Wa for bi baba ye wane nago. Am na dane haggard woman. Ye no kasa o ma me afafon se. Wono no wakasa ma ye lawyer. Na ye kasa ma kasa ni enti ase. O kira be kokotu nya ho masa. Kasa m kira me ni ye wu de ye ni enwa asem puma sibre. Da be na obeba. Wada wo ma.
Monday
ubeba me da se bebre Monday ye be ho kwan nyame hira